Are you planning a 3D printing project and stuck choosing between Blender and Fusion 360? Whether you are creating mechanical parts or detailed artistic models, picking the right software is the key to success. In this video, I'll break down both tools, compare their strengths, weaknesses, and finally decide which one is better for 3D printing. Stay till the end so you don't miss the final verdict. Let's get started. When it comes to 3D printing, both Blender and Fusion 360 are powerful tools, but they serve very different purposes. Fusion 360, engineering precision for real-world designs. Fusion 360 is developed by Autodesk and is extremely popular with manufacturers, engineers, and product designers. If your project involves mechanical precision, Fusion 360 is built exactly for that. You get parametric modeling, which means you can define accurate dimensions and edit your model later without breaking the entire design. Change a hole size or thickness. Fusion automatically updates connected parts. This is incredibly useful for printing things like gears, brackets, enclosures, hinges, and prototypes. Another major perk is that Fusion is cloud-based. You can access your designs from any computer, collaborate with teammates, and even track version history. It also makes exporting 3D printing formats like STL or OBJ quick and seamless. However, Fusion 360 isn't perfect. While it's great for technical parts, it's not ideal for creative or artistic modeling. If you're trying to create something like a figurine, a game character, or a custom mini statue, Fusion feels too rigid. Pros of Fusion 360. Best for precision and functional parts. Parametric modeling for easy edits. Great. Exporting for 3D printing. Free license for hobbyists. Cons of Fusion 360. Not suited for organic shapes, requires internet for cloud features. Limited artistic freedom Blender. The artist's choice for 3D design. Now let's talk about Blender. Blender is completely free and open source, but don't let that fool you. It's a powerhouse used by designers, animators, and 3D artists worldwide. Blender is perfect if your 3D printing goal is creative modeling, like statues, cosplay props, miniatures, action figures, or custom toys. It has powerful sculpting tools that let you shape, smooth, and detail models, much like working with digital clay. Blender also has a built-in 3D Print Toolbox add-on, which helps check common printing errors like wall thickness or non-manifold edges. So yes, it supports 3D printing too, but it does have drawbacks. Blender has a steep learning curve. Also, unlike Fusion 360, it lacks precise dimension control, making it less suitable for engineering parts or components that need exact measurements. Pros of Blender: completely free and open source. Amazing sculpting and artistic tools. Great for creative and organic shapes, huge online community and tutorials. Cons of Blender: harder to learn at first, not accurate for mechanical designs, lacks built-in parametric precision. So which one is better for 3D printing? Here's the truth. It depends on what you're printing. If you're printing functional parts like hinges, adapters, RC components, drone mounts, tools, or gadgets, Fusion 360 is the better choice. If your focus is on character models, sculptures, cosplay props, or artistic designs, Blender wins. Fusion 360 is better for 3D printing precision mechanical parts, while Blender is better for artistic and creative printing projects. Pick based on your goal, not hype. If you found this comparison helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which software you prefer and why. Want me to compare SolidWorks versus Fusion 360 next, or Blender versus Tinkercad? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.